Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel PlayStation Plus on your PS5 Pro account. So just on the home screen, let's go on over to Settings right here and select this. Then go to Users and Accounts. Then under this screen, let's wait for this to load and go to the right and go down to Payment and Subscriptions. Now go to Subscriptions and choose PlayStation Plus. Now we can go to where it says cancel your subscriptions right here. And you can see my next payment date is for $79 on 1/6 of 2026. So I know auto renew is turned on, so I want to go ahead and just cancel this out so it doesn't renew. We can change the plan or we can cancel it right here. So just go to cancel, and then you should have an expiration date instead of a next payment date on the top. So it's very easy to do that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.